Boy, doctor, a long time in a see.
How you doing, Miss Yambella?
You know, sister, if you prescribe me the appetite, me just get big and swell up like mudfish.
You know, I was saying to myself, you really let yourself go, man.
Doctor say this to you.
But it's the truth.
Well, listen to me, my friend Mark and I sell some clothes that time. Them look good bad. Things them look good, but me just big like Marilyn can't fit in them. Him say them name Dolly house, like I said, but me don't look like the doll, more look like the house. So me I say if you have no pillow, you can make me lose the weight. I mean I talk no nutriburs, because I have nothing for us, but a belly.
Well, listen to me, Yamada. This is the newest pill on the market. They're doing so good. It's gonna make you lose so much weight.
500 milligrams of a true Jamaican man.
That's right.
What do you mean true Jamaican man?
I mean a real Jamaican man, a yard man. It's when you take a Jamaican man, you're gonna take him 2 times a day. He's gonna make you lose a lot of weight. You have to take him with meal. Because if you take him without meal, you're gonna lose a lot of weight and I'm say you have AIDS. So you're gonna take him in the morning and in the evening. And it comes with a lot of side effects. Heartache, headache, weight loss, suicide attempt, homicide, all of that.
Serious?
Serious like a judge.